We're getting weird today. We haven't done a mad scientist style dip in a long time. Now, normally with a mad scientist dip, we're gonna take two random colors, mix them together, and go full scale on a car. Now, because we can't go full scale today, we're gonna amplify it by doing not one mad scientist color, we're gonna make 4. So what I told Gabe to do is go get 8 different colors and then come to the table on camera, don't let me see them, and unveil what you've chosen so we can see what 4 combinations we're making right now. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You got all 8 of them?
I do.
Swear I have not seen any of these yet. What's the first one?
We got Arctic Black.
Okay, Arctic Black, which is gonna get paired with?
Wicked Wine.
Wicked Wine. Okay, combo number 1, Arctic Black and Wicked Wine. What you got for number 2?
Blue Quartz.
Blue Quartz, okay.
And Magma.
Magma. So a metallic blue and a metallic orange. Okay. Combo number 3.
Sulfur Yellow.
Sulfur Yellow, already dangerous.
Super Marine.
And Super Marine. Now this has to make a green then, right?
Has to.
Probably a pretty nice one. Okay, and combo number 4.
This one's a bit wild. Shadow Glade.
Shadow Glade, color shifting.
And Poison Grape.
Ooh, and Poison Grape. You did good. Okay, just to summarize, Arctic Black and Wicked Wine, Blue Quartz and Magma, Sulfur Yellow and Super Marine Blue, and then finally Shadow Glade and Poison Grape. They're all gonna get mixed 50-50, shot, sprayed with high gloss. We'll get to check them out. I am very pumped. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with our experiment. All of Gabe's Mad Scientist combos are complete. Now, I'm excited to show you what they look like, but of course, we also had to play, so I'm gonna show you what each one looks like with a wild pearl on top of it. And what you need to do is leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, which one, if any, took you by surprise. And if you wanna play with any of our paints, peelable or permanent, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have everything for you in one place. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.